Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mission Math Minds. Today we are going to learn about how to find out the HCF in a fast way. So here first I'll take a first example for this. For the two numbers first I'll take, afterwards I'll go with the three numbers. So first I'll take the numbers are 60 and 72. So I am taking two numbers. Here I need to find out HCF for these two numbers. So therefore first we'll go with the steps. So step 1, you need to find the difference between these two numbers. First we need to find out difference. What is the difference? What is the difference between we have? That means 72 minus 60 will get 12. So this is what the difference they said. So therefore the difference is 12. So step 2, we need to check if the 12 will divide the both numbers or not. So check if 12 divides both 60 and 72. So we will check here. 60 it will divide by 12 and 72 it will also divide by 12. We know this. So therefore we can say HCF is equals to 12. So they both will divide by 12. So therefore we can say HCF is 12. This is a one example over. So next we will go with the second example. I'll take for the two numbers only. So one is 25, other one is 35. So step 1 is difference. So we need to find out difference between this is 10. So therefore I'll write difference is equals to 10 because 35 minus 25 will get 10. So therefore the difference is 12. So next step we need to check if 10 divides both the numbers 25 and 35. If you check this, 25 divided by 10, it's not possible. 35 divided by 10, it's also not possible. So therefore we will take a factorization for this. Factorization, otherwise factorize do for the 10. The difference what we have for that 10 we need to find out the factorize. So factorize for 10 we'll get as a 10 ones are 10. Otherwise 1 tens are 10 we'll get. And next one we will get by 2 we'll get 2 5s are 10. So next we don't have any factors, only we have a two factors. If we do for the first one, so it's not possible because same number we will get. So we need to go with this numbers. First we need to check first with the 2. So we will check with 25 divided by 2. Is it divide? No, it will not divide. And 35, next number, divide by 2. It's also not possible. So therefore this is not okay. So next 25 divided by 5, next number. So 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. Is it possible? Next one 35 divided by 5. So it's also possible. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. It's also possible. So therefore we can say HCF is 5. So next one we will go for the third one. So third one I am taking two numbers is 27 and 32. So step 1 we will follow. So step 1 is the difference. We need to subtract both. So the difference between 32 and 27, because 32 minus 27 we will get as a difference is 5. So step 2, check if 5 divides both 27 and 32. We need to check. If you check also 27 divided by 5, it's not possible. 32 divided by 5, it's also not possible. So therefore we need to go with the factorize. So factorize for 5 is we'll get 5 ones are 5. Leaving that other numbers will not get. So 5 we can't take because it's the same number. So 1 only we need to take. That means 27 by 1 and 32 by 1. So only one number is possible, that is 1. So therefore we can say HCF is 1. So this is for the two numbers. Now we will go for the 3 numbers. We are finding for the 3 numbers. So 3 numbers. In the 3 numbers, because 3 questions over, the fourth one is for the 3 numbers. So one number I'll take as a 15, and second one is 25, and next one is 30. Now we will check how to find out the HCF for the 3 numbers. So first, the difference we need to find out. So therefore, step 1, difference. Here we have 3 numbers. How to find out the difference? You will get confused for this. So therefore, first we will find the difference between this. We'll get a 10. Next, when between these two, we'll get 5 as a difference, because 30 minus 25 5. 25 minus 15 is 10. And next, in between these two numbers, 30 and 15, we'll get the differences 50. So in these 3 differences, we need to see which is the lowest one. Which is the lowest one? It's a 5. So therefore, the difference I'll take as a 5, because it's the least one. So therefore, I'll take that one. So next we need to check step 2. Check if 5 divides these 3 numbers. So we'll check 15 divided by 5. Yes, it's possible. Next, 25 divided by 5. Yes, it will divide. It's possible. Next, 30 divided by 5. Yes, it's a possible. So therefore, we can say HCF is 5. So HCF is 5. We got it. So next, we'll go for the 5th one for the 3 numbers only. So 12, 30 and 84. So step 1, find the difference. So difference, 30 minus 12, we will get 18, and 84 minus 30, we will get 54, and 12 and 84 difference is 72, because 84 minus 12 will get 72. So in this 3, which is the lowest one? So 18 is the lowest one, so therefore I'll take that only. So 18 is the lowest one. So next step, check if 18 divides these 3 numbers. So if I check that, so we can't divide, it's not possible. So 30 by 18, no, it's not possible. And 84 by 18, it's also not possible. So therefore, next step is factorize. So factorize for 18, we will get as a 2 9s. So this one we can write as a 9, we can write as a 3 into 3 also, because like a lowest one we need to take. So therefore, I'll take 2 into 9, I'll write as a 3 into 3. So you have other numbers also, but it is the first one, so therefore directly I am taking. It's not possible, we will go for the next one. So first I'll go with the 2. If check if 2 divides these 3 numbers. So what are the 3 numbers? We have a 12, it will divide by 2, we need to check, and 30 by 2, we need to check, 84 by 2, it need to check. So if we check also, what we will get? So 2 1s are, 2 6s are 12, and 2 1s are, 2 15s are, and 2 1s are, 2 42s. So therefore we got the numbers is 6, 15 and 42. So these numbers, it will reduce to this. So next, 2 is over. Next we need to check with the 3 for this numbers, not for the this numbers, because 2, how many numbers will divide for the this one number? So that one only we need to take here. So first 2 over, it's divided to this, and now we need to check 3 will divide this or not. So after that, what we will get answered by this? So that one we need to check with another 3. So afterwards, which one is divide? So that one only will consider as a HCF. So 6, 15, 42. So now we need to check if 3 divides or not. So what we have number 6 by 3, it's possible, and 15 by 3, it's possible, and next one 42 by 3, it's also possible. So therefore what we got the numbers 2, 5, 14. So next other one 3 is left over, so we need to check. If we check also 2 by 3, it's not possible, 5 by 3, it's not possible, and 14 by 3, it's also not possible because another one 3 left over, so that is not a possible one. So two numbers are possible, so therefore HCF is equals to 2 into 3, so 2 3s are, we'll get a 6, so therefore the HCF is 6. I hope keep remember the steps everything, and in a easy method you can easily find the HCF for these all numbers, for the 2 numbers or 3 numbers, otherwise further you can go with the 4 numbers also. So by following this method everything, so you can easily find the HCF. I hope you people enjoyed this video. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.